Artillery gun is a class of heavy military ranged weapons built to launch munitions far beyond the range and power of infantry's small arms. The word artillery has largely meant cannon, and in normal usage it usually refers to shell firing guns, howitzers, mortars, and rocket artillery. Artillery originated for use against ground targets, cavalry, and other artillery which is used by the enemy forces. There are three main types of artillery distinguished by muzzle velocity and firing trajectory. The first one is gun/cannon, the high velocity, low angle, direct fire. Then comes the howitzers, which has medium velocity, medium angle, direct or indirect fire. Then comes the mortar, which has low velocity, high angle, and indirect fire. The lower the velocity, the lower the stress the shell experiences. Therefore, the shell walls can be thinner, allowing for a larger bursting charge or other fillers. However, the higher the velocity, the better the armor penetration. This is why tanks have guns, while most artillery units are equipped with howitzers or mortars. After close to 3 decades, the Army inducted its first modern artillery gun systems in late 2017, and these include the M777 ultralight howitzers from United States and the K9 Vajra-T self-propelled artillery guns from South Korea. We all know that Indian Army has placed an order for 114 Dhanush guns, which would be manufactured by the Gun Carriage Factory of Jabalpur. The Dhanush howitzer is an upgraded variant of the FH-77B howitzer manufactured by the Swedish defense contractor Bofors. These guns are now called BAE Systems-414. These guns were acquired by the Indian Army between 1987 and 1991, and in comparison to the FH-77B, the Dhanush barrel is 877 millimeters long. The Dhanush howitzer is based on schematics supplied by Bofors or BAE Systems under a technology transfer agreement concluded in late 1980s. The Dhanush howitzer is a reverse-engineered upgraded variant of the original Bofors design, weighing less than 13 tons. According to Indian Ministry of Defence, 81% of Dhanush components are indigenously made, a number that is expected to rise to 90% in subsequent production tranches. The 45 caliber Dhanush howitzer reportedly has a maximum effective range of 38 km in salvo mode compared to the 39 caliber 27 km range of FH-77B howitzer guns. The Dhanush howitzer is capable of firing 8 rounds per minute and needs a crew of 6 to 8 artillerymen. The order was supposed to be completed in 4 years, but looks like, as per the latest update, it would take 5 years. The Indian Army has taken delivery of the first 6 of 114 indigenously designed Dhanush gun during April 2019, and it is expected that the current year's batch may be delivered in a couple of months, with delivery of the guns that have already been proven to happen before that. The Gun Carriage Factory of Jabalpur will have to scale up its production to 50 guns a year from 2021 to meet the targets. At present, the factory is operating at its optimum capacity, and much of the new machines have been procured, and the process will continue. So that was an update on the Dhanush artillery gun, which is yet to be delivered to Indian Army, and the latest update on the same. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. Also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.